You go to any locality in the rural areas, you will find the answer. You ask the officers who have contracted the virus, they will tell you, I have gone to such and such area, after coming back, I have tested positive. And he has, in the meantime, spread it to his family members. So this is what is happening. We don't know where the virus is. Because the government has withdrawn itself from its important responsibility. It's an act of betrayal. We are dealing with a pandemic of very highly infectious virus, and which is very prone to mutate quickly. Another thing, one of my relatives, in fact, son of my own uncle, contracted the virus, hospitalized in Tura Civil Hospital. He was in a critical condition. He has recovered to a great extent, but still in the hospital, in the ICU. He was shifted to ICU after he has tested negative from the COVID ward. He was in high flow oxygen. Today I received information in the morning that he has tested positive again. There has to be a scientific interpretation. If a patient who has already after treatment, who has tested positive and after treatment have tested negative, and after that, after almost more than a week of post-COVID treatment because of other complications, again test positive, then there are only two things which can be interpreted scientifically. One is either the earlier test was giving them a false negative result, okay, because the margin of error is always there. Another one is that the virus which has again infected him may be a different strain. You cannot rule out. Scientifically, we have to verify. So therefore, we will have to ensure that in such instant case, government has to be alerted, and then government has to give a direction. Go for the genome sequencing. Find out if it is another new mutant, new variant. This is how we fight against this type of virus. Now, when I talk to doctors, yeah, it's tested positive. Government has to tell them. There's a scientific approach. The epidemiologists should know how to deal with this. That whole way forward to deal with this pandemic. So friends, I tell you, situation is grim. And the government of the day must wake up from this deep slumber and sense of complacency and stop playing to the gallery. We have tried not to pull up the government as much as possible. But when the government seems to be in the mode of, withdrawal from the responsibility, then we have to wake them up. We have to point a finger at them. Look, you have a responsibility. Just don't sit on the chair without shouldering and fulfilling your responsibility.